Can you market to both B2B and B2C target audiences at the same time?
So I think that's a mistake a lot of founders are making when they're starting out. They think that if they are selling to B2C, for example, and they got a few customers interested, they can now go and sell that to companies on a larger scale. I think that's very wrong. That's fundamentally wrong. And the best way to look at that is looking at the Olympics. You have people that are marathoners and won the marathon, and you have people that are sprinters and won the 100 meters competition, but you don't have any person that is in both groups. And it's extremely, extremely difficult for companies to be both B2B and B2C at the same time. There is a different DNA for the company. There is a different sales process. The pricing is going to be very different. And ultimately, that ties into the fact that you need to have one target customer when you're starting out. You can't sell to the HR manager in a company and also to a consumer at their home, like browsing TV at the same time. It's a very different sales process, and you need to focus on one of them.